Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn off haptic feedback in Epic 7 game. To turn off the haptic feedback in Epic 7, first of all launch open the Epic 7 app on your device. On the main lobby, go ahead and tap the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear button. Right after you do that, you'll end up in this account info section. Go ahead and tap on this device setting option on the third row and then look for the haptic feedback option. Tap on the off button right next to haptic feedback in order to turn off haptic feedback or vibration on your game. Right after you do that, your haptic feedback is now disabled. That is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Epic 7 tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.